Old Harbour, Old Harbour, Old Harbour. All of Old Harbour. Listen to me carefully. There is an opportunity for you to ship your packages from overseas, from any online retailer, and get them delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica for free. You're going to ask me, how? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you how. I'm going to explain it to this customer, and you are going to hear and you're going to learn. Good morning, sir. How are you doing? I'm doing well. But then here I talk to the customer them. I tell them so them can get to ship their items for free. I'm going to explain to them because I don't know if you know, right? There you go, sir. So you have the items. Everything good with the items?
Yeah, man. This looks like the most part.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a fire stick.
A fire stick. Oh yeah, going with things, man. Well, we're glad we could have ship it for you.
Yeah,
So, you know it go. So I tell the folks them how them can ship for free. However, thing named Prime Day. You know what Prime Day?
No, I know about the platinum membership, which should have been on free shipping.
Alright, we have a thing named Platinum Day, right? Platinum membership give you free shipping, yes. But we have a thing named Platinum Day that's coming up very soon. All members who are Platinum members, if once you're a Platinum member before November 26th, you're going to be able to ship with us for free on January 26th, 2022. January 26, 2022 is our Platinum Day, where you get to ship some items for free. You understand? But you have to be, you're a Platinum member, right?
Yeah, man, I noticed
so you're good.
Keyword, some items.
Yes, man, you get to ship it. Once the items are delivered within a specific time frame, you get to ship all of them to Jamaica, no shipping charge. You understand? I'm going to put a link here, and people can see the terms and conditions, but the Platinum Day is here. And you're the first customer I tell. So make sure you use it up, alright?
Yeah, man.
January
Nice. 26. But
January
sooner or
26.
later I'll probably get a WhatsApp or email.
You're going to get an email and a WhatsApp. But for people who don't know and are not Platinum members and are not registered yet, go ahead, click on the link below here, get registered, and you'll be able to ship for free come January. Alright? Platinum Day. Andrew, enough respect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
My respect, brother.
Alright.
Blessings. Yeah,
I'm
man.
from home, you play, you know?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, catch me today.
Alright. Enough respect, man. Thank you. Yeah, man.